Okay, welcome to page 4 of our Unit 4 notes on multiplication and division equations. So here we have number 7. It says, what value of d makes the following number sentence true? So we have d divided by 3 equals negative 27. So we see that this is a division equation. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1d, so we're going to call it a 1 in disguise. So d equals negative 27 times 3. A negative times a positive is a negative, and 27 times 3 is 81. So our answer is negative 81. Now, I'm not going to show my check for this one because we showed several checks on the other page, but I do want you to still check it. So here's how we would check this. I would take my answer of negative 81 and I would divide it by 3 in my calculator to double check that it equals negative 27. And if I do negative 81 divided by 3, it does in fact give me negative 27. So I'm going to circle choice A. Okay, moving on to number 8. What is x if 3x equals 84? So once again, I'm going to circle my variable. And I see a number in front of letter, which tells me it's a multiplication equation. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is a 1 in disguise. So x equals 84 divided by 3. 84 divided by 3 is in fact 28. So x equals 28. Now, even though I'm not going to show my check, I still have to make sure my answer is correct. So I can double check it in my calculator if I need to. So I'm going to do 3 times my answer, since number in front of letter means to multiply. So 3 times 28 gives me 84. So the correct answer is in fact 28. So I'm going to circle choice D. Okay, moving on to example number 9 here. It says write an equation to represent the following and then solve. So I did not have a key here, so I need to tell you that the rectangles, yellow rectangles here, are variables. So we're going to call each one of these an x. So you'll notice we have 3 of them. So we're going to say 3x equals. Now each of these green cubes are positives. So I have 3 groups of 5, so I have 15 of them. Okay, so you see I have a multiplication equation. So I'm going to circle my variable. The opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is a 1 in disguise, so x equals 5. Now, even though I told you you didn't have to show your check, I still want to check this. So I have a number in front of letters, so that means multiply. So I'm going to do 3 times 5. And of course, 3 times 5 is in fact 15. So I know my answer is correct. Now let's look at choice 10 here, number 10. It says, which of the following represents 2x equals 8? Now, if we know that the yellow sticks equals one variable, we're looking for an answer that has 2 yellow sticks because we have 2x here. So we can eliminate choice B and choice D. Now we know the equation equals 8, so I'm going to look for the one that has 2 x's equals 8 green units. So this one has 6, this one has 8, so the correct answer is C. Okay, that concludes page 4 of our notes. I hope you understand what I've covered on this page. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.